YouTube, how are we doing? Got another one today. Today I'm going to take you guys through a setup that I'm currently in. To swing trade, it's not liquidity supply and demand. I actually am pretty much dropping that liquidity supply and demand strategy that I've been posting on my account. It's just I've been trading it for a little bit and have seen not much results, not the results that I would like to see. So I'm switching to swing trading, and so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys through the setup. We're currently up about 1.5% on this trade, and yeah, it was a really good setup. I'm still in it, so I'm aiming for about 2%. So let me take you guys through it and show you what I saw and why I'm in it. So this is the setup. Let me go to the daily. So we started on the daily time frame, USD CAD, by the way, and pretty much the swing strategy is a break and retest with supply and demand. So with that in mind, right, let me kind of mark this out. We have price unable to break below these lows right here. Price then finally does. Let me get rid of this. Price then finally does break below, comes back up, but then it breaks below in an aggressive way, right? It takes out all of these lows that I marked to the left. Takes out 3 previous lows. So that was a strong confluence for me. And then so we have our daily demand marked out here, or daily supply just marked out here. I'll mark that out a little bit better here. And then so if I go to replay, this is what we see. And then now we would just be waiting for price to come back into our zone, into our daily supply. And then we would look to go to our lower time frame and look for an entry. So we then went to a 4-hour once price touched our zone. Let me take this off. We then went to 4-hour, and as you can see in the 4-hour, we have a very strong supply zone right here. Also, we are using another confluence for the strategy is fib retracement. So we marked out the previous important swing, right? So we up here to the low down here, and as you can see, price bounced off right in our supply zone is 50% on the fib, which was another confluence for me. We're also underneath the 200 EMA, so this was a good trade all in all. And yeah, so we got in about here, and we were aiming. Stop loss is pretty deep. I went up about here, and take profit is now at these lows, previous lows right here. So we're going for about a 1 to 8. I'm sorry, 1 to 1.8, 1 to 1, 1 to 1 to 1 to 2. Sorry, and yeah, we did have news this morning, which is this huge bullish candle that you see here. This was unemployment. Our unemployment rates were skyrocketed, so which is good for the dollar. I'm sorry, we had less unemployment than we thought, which then increased the power of the dollar. So which is why we had a big bullish candle here. But as you can see, we're rejecting off this 50 EMA, which is great for the short that I am in. And as you can see, if we go back from time, the 50 EMA is playing an important role in how things move. Seems like every time it touches it, kind of rejects. So yeah, not going to do anything to the trade just of yet. We are still just waiting for these lows. And yeah, I'm waiting for a take profit. Let me pull up exactly where I'm at. So as you can see in USD CAD, this is the strategy. We were up about 1.1 to 1.5% up in profit. And yeah, as I mentioned, we're aiming for these previous lows. Stop losses above this supply zone up here. And yeah, so this was a great setup. Still in it. Gonna keep you guys updated on how it plays out. And yeah, I don't have any potential setups coming up. That'll be something that I will put in my videos is upcoming setups for this strategy. I prefer this one, the swing. It takes longer, but which is fine because as you know, the higher time frame that you go, the more the stronger the zones are, right? So this 4-hour supply zone is much stronger than a 5-minute supply zone. So yeah, I really like the strategy. I really like the technicals on this. It doesn't seem too hard, you know what I mean? It's definitely something that I can understand and get behind. So this is what I will be using in the meantime. Hope you guys enjoyed. As I said, I don't have any setups for the upcoming week as of right now, but as I see some, I will post them on my YouTube. Yeah, so thanks again. See you in the next one.